Welcome. This video will guide you through pairing your iPhone or Android device to your 2018-2021 Lincoln Navigator's Sync 3 system via Bluetooth. This allows you to make calls, stream music, and access contacts hands-free. The process is generally straightforward, and recent software updates have improved stability. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also available on some models, but this video focuses on the core Bluetooth pairing process. First, ensure your navigator's ignition is turned on. On the Sync 3 touchscreen, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for an icon labeled Phone, Bluetooth, or something similar. Select it to access the Bluetooth settings. This is where you'll initiate the pairing process. Step 2. Enabling pairing mode on your navigator. Within the Bluetooth settings, you should find an option to Add Device, Pair Device, or Discoverable mode. Select this option to make your Lincoln Navigator visible to other Bluetooth devices. The system might display a pairing code on the screen. Note this code as you'll need it shortly. Now, on your iPhone or Android device, go to the Bluetooth settings. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled. Your phone should start searching for available devices. Your Lincoln Navigator, likely named Lincoln Navigator XX, should appear in the list. Select it. Your phone will prompt you to enter a pairing code. This is the code that was displayed on your navigator's Sync 3 screen, typically 0000 or 1234, but always confirm on the screen. Enter the code on your phone and tap Pair or Connect. Some Android versions might request manual driver approval due to evolving Bluetooth protocols. After pairing is complete, your Lincoln Navigator will prompt for permission to access your contacts, call history, and text messages. Granting these permissions enables full hands-free functionality, allowing you to make calls and send texts safely through the Sync 3 system. For iPhone users, Siri integration is automatically enabled once permissions are granted. This allows you to use voice commands for calling contacts or dictating messages. Android users can take advantage of Google Assistant integration through Bluetooth, providing similar voice control capabilities for your driving experience. If you're experiencing Bluetooth pairing issues in your Lincoln Navigator, here are the most common solutions to try. First, check that Bluetooth is turned on in your phone's settings and in the vehicle's Sync 3 system. Try restarting both your smartphone and the vehicle's Sync 3 infotainment system to clear temporary glitches. From the Sync 3 menu, clear any previously paired devices and attempt the pairing process again. Ford recommends keeping your Sync 3 system updated through over-the-air updates to fix firmware issues. Compatibility issues often occur with older Android versions. Update your phone to Android 13 or later for best results. Following these steps typically resolves most Bluetooth pairing problems, with owners reporting 95% success rates. Bluetooth in the Navigator is increasingly a gateway to AI-driven assistance. Ford's Sync 5, coming in future updates, will integrate AI for predictive syncing and enhanced cybersecurity. While wireless CarPlay and Android Auto offer cable-free options, Bluetooth remains crucial for basic connectivity. By following these steps, you can easily connect your phone and enjoy hands-free functionality in your 2018-2021 Lincoln Navigator. Thanks for watching.